One day I pray finish, I call one man of God. Before I have not known this altar. And the man of God said, why are you afraid? God said you should go. That there I will establish your ministry. I say, eh? So God speak to this man through me. When I come to know Christ power, that day, we quarrel, heavy quarrel. I said, today I will leave this family. I will leave him. Let me leave him. I went to my auntie, told my mother. That is why she brought me here. When I know the man, I explained everything. He said, don't go anywhere. When he said, don't go anywhere, I said, no. This one said, no, you encourage me. What kind of thing? He said, let your husband come. I didn't believe that my husband will agree to come. But I told him that if you don't come, I will not come back to the house again. He said, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Just say something. In the morning, suddenly I saw him. He said, I'm outside you. I said, I come inside now. As he came inside that day, he said, why you like this man of God? He said, the man of God did not encourage him, that encouraged me to leave. Because we went to one man of God before, he said, Madam, I beg, pack your, I know the person is there. But at last, the man of God said, Madam, look for yourself contained. Leave him alone. Eh? So he was afraid. He said, this man now encouraged me to go back to my home. He said he never understood. That's why, because my husband is a very stubborn man. He doesn't listen. Doesn't listen to anybody. The only thing he fear God. When you put God, he is humble. That's how he started following me to this place. Even when I come, sometimes they say you should not talk about men of God. But some of these men of God, they provoke him now. I said, Tom, you don't have to judge them. But when he came to Christ's power, anything about Christ's power, he obeyed. He started coming. I said, that is how Christ's power changed this man. He became born again. From there,
somebody do something.
From there, we started the journey of this king. I was like, we need to work. It came to a time where, if you see the frustration, it was too much. It was too much. He said, yeah, you want me to go? I said, go. Call daddy. Call Christ's power first. Call him first. If you call Christ's power, I say, go, that is your right. It came to a time they carried the old lady, his own blood brother, that came to my house, stay in my house for 3 months when he relocated to Abuja. He's the one that the family even started using. Family even donated 50 million to fight him, only him. When they told me, I said, one with God is with great majority. They even called him, I said, family are not with you again, no. He said, no problem. Fought all the battle for us and put it to an end. And before you know, people that are donating money here and there, and they began to beg, say, please, let's withdraw this case. Let's withdraw this case. Number one sign that God gave them, he told Pharaoh. He said, Pharaoh, let my people go. Pharaoh said, no, who is this God? He said, I am that I am. God told them, this is my son. Oh, I'm the one who sent him. They said, no. The first sign God gave Pharaoh, he said, he dropped the staff turned to snake. Pharaoh said, perform his own magic. So, continuously, God said, Israel are my firstborn. Oh, let them go and serve me. Oh, Pharaoh said, no. He said, okay, this night you will know that Israel are my firstborn. That was what happened. All of them began to fear. The wife, he lost his wife in the process of coming to fight God. That one has not started until he himself fell sick at that time. He said, the next thing we heard that the chair he kept in at the community, they're fighting us. Use his head, carry the chair from there because they called him from chieftaincy. You are fighting for class king. You don't know the warrant they gave him. If they allow them to judge this case, you people will go to prison. That's how you learn. All the family, everybody, they formed to fight against my husband. One after the other, all of them began to withdraw. Everybody began to withdraw. They began to call him. They started calling their enemies again to beg you. In fact, if you hear this testimony, you will know that God. So the thing won't surprise even me. Say, these people again, upon all the fire, even the local government, everybody began to fear me. Everybody want to become our friends now. I want to use this opportunity again to thank our daddy in the Lord, to thank our mommy in the Lord. She's a mommy indeed, because every successful man, there's a woman behind him. If the daddy say you want to do what, the mother say no, there's no way he will do it. Financially, he was there for us. Physically, prayer for everything, he was there for us. You see, everybody, even our own people, began to envy. Say, what kind of man? Who is even empowering them? Who make them? Who give them the power? This man that has nothing again, who make him the king? Said, he said, now Jesus, I follow. This Jesus of Christ's power did it for us all. Who will hear this testimony? I will not say, I beg, take me to that your Jesus. What other king are asking my husband now? We want to know the secret of your power. You will see kings here. Kings will be here to worship the Lord, to serve the living God, to serve the God of Christ's power. Who has done this? Who has made this thing possible?